Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions useful for all the upcoming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of previous day's video in today's description below. If anybody needs it, do download it. Let's start. Who is the founder of Jaish-e Mohammed? Masood Azhar, Hafiz Mohammed Saeed, Zafar Iqbal, Osama bin Laden. Answer is A. Masood Azhar is the founder of Jaish-e Mohammed. Yesterday, 44 CRPF Jawans were killed in the deadliest ever attack in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. And Jaish-e Mohammed claims responsibility for this attack. Each and every citizen of this country is absolutely shocked by this news, and our hearts goes out to the members of the family who had lost their son, their husband, the father, the brother. We cannot even explain the grief the family members are going through, and our Prime Minister Narendra Modi vows that the sacrifices of our brave hearts will not go in vain. Jaish-e Mohammed is a Deobandi jihadist group active in Kashmir. The group's primary motive is to separate Kashmir from India and merge it into Pakistan. Remember, it was founded in the year 1998 by Masood Azhar, who is currently residing in Pakistan. And the headquarters of this Jaish-e Mohammed is Bahawalpur in Pakistan. Vande Bharat Express has been dedicated to nation by Prime Minister Modi. Which of the following statements are true regarding this train? It is India's first engineless train. Earlier known as Train 18, it runs at the speed of 140 km per hour. Only A and B are true, or all of the above are true? Answer is D. Only A and B are true. Vande Bharat Express has been dedicated to nation today by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It is India's first engineless and semi-high-speed train manufactured within 18 months under Make in India program. It runs at the speed of 160 km per hour between Delhi to Varanasi. What is the capital of Yemen? Sanaa, Muscat, Manama, Doha. Answer is A. Sanaa. Very important topic. Do expect a question for all upcoming exams from this area. The House of Representatives passed a resolution to end US support for the Saudi-led war in Yemen. Now, Yemen is the poorest country in the Arab region, and many conflicts has been going on for the years in this country, but it became violent on March 2015. Yemenis wanted a change in the government, and the earlier president Ali Abdullah Saleh was forced to hand over the power to the current president Abdrabbu Mansur Hadi. Now, when Yemen war broke out, there are two sides. You need to remember, one side is taken by Houthis, the Shia rebel group, and they are loyal to the former president Saleh, and the other side, the forces who are loyal to the new government, that is the current president Hadi, and who is also backed by the Saudi-led coalition. In 2014, the Houthi forces took over Yemen's capital Sanaa, and they tried to take over the control of the entire country, forcing the current president of the Yemen, Hadi, to flee to Saudi Arabia. And the Saudi Arabia began military campaign with several other countries, providing weapons, intelligence, logistic, and Saudi Arabia-led coalition want to restore Hadi government in Yemen. So the Yemen war is still going on. This is the Yemen crisis, very important topic. Who is the Central Board of Direct Taxes chief appointed as the election commissioner? Sunil Arora, Sushil Chandra, Rajiv Jain, or Ajit Doval? The answer is B. Sushil Chandra. President Ramnath Kovind appointed Central Board of Direct Taxes chairman Sushil Chandra as an election commissioner. Sushil Chandra is second Indian Revenue Service official to hold the post after T.S. Krishnamurthy. The current Chief Election Commissioner is Sunil Arora, and the other election commissioner is Sushil Chandra. CRPF was founded in which of the following year? 1939, 1947, 1950 or 1975? Answer is A. 1939. CRPF was founded in 1939 as Crown Representatives Police, and later through an enactment of the Act in 1949 it became a Central Reserve Police Force. It is the largest police force of India and it functions under the Ministry of Home Affairs of the Government of India. The motto of CRPF is service and loyalty. The minister responsible is the Union Home Minister. Who received Sports Star Aces Lifetime Achievement Award? Prakash Padukone, Sunil Gavaskar, Pullela Gopichand or P.T.Usha? The answer is A. Prakash Padukone received Sports Star Aces Lifetime Achievement Award. Now remember all these list of awards. Just go through the list once and remember the people associated with the sports. Very important. The Sportsman of the Year goes to Virat Kohli and Jasprit Bumrah. The Sportswoman of the Year goes to Smriti Mandana. And Sportsman of the Year in Racket Sport goes to Sharat Kamal. And Sportswoman of the Year in Racket Sport is PV Sindhu and Manika Batra. And in Jury Awards, the Team of the Year goes to Vidarbha Ranji team. And the best state for promotion of the sports goes to Odisha. So just go through the list of all these awards, very important. Indus Water Treaty was signed between which of the following countries? India and Pakistan, India and China, China and Pakistan, or India and Nepal? Answer is A. India and Pakistan. Again, very important topic. Do expect a question from this area. Indus Water Treaty was signed in Karachi on September 19, 1960 by the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and the then President of Pakistan, Ayub Khan. Now, previously asked many questions regarding west flowing and east flowing rivers of this treaty, so do remember. West flowing rivers used by Pakistan are Chena, Jhelum and Indus, whereas the east flowing rivers used by India are Satluj, Beas and Ravi. Now in these Indus rivers mostly flow from India and then to Pakistan, so therefore many people are saying to scrap this Indus Water Treaty with Pakistan and to divert all the rivers flowing in Pakistan to Jammu. And Prime Minister Modi also says that blood and water cannot flow together at the same time, but scraping this treaty is not easy as it was done mediated by World Bank. The boundary demarcation between India and Pakistan is known as McMahon Line, Radcliffe Line, Siegfried Line or Durand Line. The answer is B. Radcliffe Line. The boundary demarcation between India and Pakistan is known as Radcliffe Line, previously asked. So do remember, Afghanistan-Pakistan international boundary line is known as Durand Line. India and China is McMahon Line. Germany and France is Siegfried Line, and India and Pakistan is Radcliffe Line. Let's see the question for the day. How many Indian states share international border with the Pakistan? 2 states, 3 states, 4 states or 5 states? Mention your answers along with the state names. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. Recently, NASA declares which of the following Mars rover as officially dead? Curiosity, Insight, Opportunity or Spirit? Answer is C. Opportunity, as rightly answered by Nitish Kumar, SM Abhilash, Nagavalli Sairam and Indravardhan Solanki. Thank you all guys for following my videos regularly. NASA declares Opportunity Mars rover as officially dead, and this is the end of the mission Opportunity. Opportunity, also known as Mars Exploration Rover B, nicknamed as OP, launched on July 7, 2003, and this rover landed in Meridiani Planum on Jan 25, 2004. Almost it worked for 15 years and recently it lost communication due to 2018 dust storms on Mars. The Opportunity ceased communications on June 10th and entered hibernation on June 12th, 2018. This is the Opportunity rover from the Mars, and it sent back many images, almost lakhs of images from Mars to the Earth, all of which are made available on the internet. You can go and have a look. Quote for the day, they gave their tomorrow for our today. Now, security personnel across the country, they are working 24/7 for our country and for its citizens, and the struggles they endure every day so that you and I can sleep in peace. A big salute and huge respect to the brave hearts of our country, the Indian soldiers, the police forces of the central and the state, the army, the navy, the air force. May God bless them and give them the strength and courage to fight terrorism. This is it for today. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.